Hello everybody and welcome in today's video. In today's video we are going to talk about the reaction that we are seeing so far in Bitcoin and basically what might happen with Bitcoin in the not so distant future, which levels we have to watch, which signals we have to watch as well in order to prevent any losses when trading. We are also going to have a look at this specific chart, guys, which is very interesting, showing us that the on-chain volume at the levels that we are trading right now is one of the highest that it's ever been. The last time we have seen these levels when was Bitcoin trading around approximately $3,200 US. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's jump into Bitcoin. Before we are zooming in on Bitcoin, of course, guys, make sure to scroll below this video, smash up that like button. That is very much appreciated. Now, let's dive into Bitcoin. And what we can see right here, guys, we got a buy signal over on Orion's belt. We did got a nice reaction in the Bitcoin price. We got a pump, but so far, we are not really seeing a sustainable pump. No, exactly. We actually get quite a wick right here on the 4-hour time frame. Although this candle is not yet closed, we still have to see how this candle is going to close. We definitely got some resistance at 41,600, slightly below 42,000, which is this zone right here, a zone of resistance. As you can see right here, starting at roughly 42,000, going all the way down to 41,600. As you can see, these levels have been acting as resistance right here, has been acting as support, resistance. So this is one of the next levels you need to be watching for Bitcoin to break in order to turn slightly more bullish within this pattern. So we are still trading within that ascending triangle formation where we have been talking about in the past couple of videos. So there nothing has changed yet. So yeah, that is important to note. The structure is still there. I want to go with you guys to the daily time frame, because what right now actually happened with Bitcoin, well, basically not that much. Like I said, we're still trading within that ascending triangle formation. We got a uptrend in support and we got a horizontal resistance. And before we are going to see a breakout, the price right now is just consolidating and it's quite unpredictable what we are going to see. But we are seeing some good signs right here. And like I've been mentioning in my previous videos, guys, I definitely think that Bitcoin tends to trend up from here rather than down. But there's always the availability or the possibility of a liquidity tap to see a drop right here into this green zone and then eventually reverse and trend up. So these are the main scenarios that I'm watching right now. Why? Why do I think that Bitcoin is going to trend up? Well, there are multiple reasons for that. First of all, if we have a look at the funding rates, then we had over a extended period of time, guys, we had negative funding rates. Most of the time, if not all the time, the price tends to trend up when we have a extended period of time of negative funding rates. This could change if we were to see the funding rates turning positive again. That could be bearish for the price. But right now, we are still seeing that longer period, extended period with negative funding rates. When we have a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we also already a extended period at quite fearful levels. There's a lot of fear in the markets, a lot of negativity, which eventually can drive the price up. So these are the main arguments I would use right now to say that I do think that the price will tend to trend up from here. But the shorter term time frame, especially in the month March, because the month March is known to be a very volatile month, most of the time volatility to the downside. We all know March 2020, where we had a massive capitulation event right here. I'm not saying that something likely is going to happen like that, but if we have a look at the periodical events in Bitcoin right now, March, most of the time March is a bearish month with a lot of volatility. So therefore, I'm still going to say that the shorter term time frame might be quite unpredictable, but the midterm time frame, the chances, in my opinion, are definitely favoring to eventually trend up from here. But we could also see something like this where we consolidate, eventually get a drop into this green zone, and then from there we eventually reverse and can continue in a uptrend. So guys, that is what I'm watching basically right now in Bitcoin. Then I want to go with you to another chart which is showing the on-chain volume of Bitcoin. Before I'm doing that, guys, let me quickly go over the description below this page, because right now I have some things I want to mention. First of all, if you are interested in taking the next step into your cryptocurrency trading journey, I would definitely recommend you to enroll for my cryptocurrency trading course down below. Right now, you can still get a discount of $150 using this discount code of crypto150. This course is a very unique all-round cryptocurrency trading course which will teach you everything that you need to know about the crypto markets, but it is also training you in thinking how you can create your own profitable cryptocurrency trading strategy. And I'm doing that, I'm teaching you that based on proven models with pre-recorded videos. So if you are interested in taking the next step into your trading journey, and you really want to get a better understanding of what is going on in these crypto markets, then I would highly recommend you to enroll for the cryptocurrency trading course. You can find the link down below. Then guys, if you don't follow me over on Twitter, do it. It's very important, because sometimes I won't have enough time to create a video over on YouTube. I will share those signals over on my Twitter. Here you can find the Twitter page. But also, guys, really make sure to follow Will Portal on Twitter, which is already providing you with signals. And right now we are working on even more signals. And very, very soon, the signals of Bitcoin balance on exchanges will be launched on the Will Portal Twitter, which means that every time a lot of Bitcoin will be deposited into exchanges and we might see selling pressure, you will get a signal over on our Twitter that is fully automated. We are tracking a lot of exchange wallets, so in that you can get a lot of good information whether we potentially are seeing some selling pressure coming up. So yeah, guys, really make sure to follow both of these Twitter accounts. And of course, if you haven't done so already, make sure to join Bybit with my affiliate link down below to get a bonus of $4,100 and a discount on your fees. And as you guys know, Bybit is by far the best cryptocurrency exchange out there to trade Bitcoin and a variety of altcoins, either with leverage or on the spot market. And if you want to stake your cryptocurrency, all of these things you can also do over on Bybit. Also on the spot market, they have a US dollar tether market and a USDC market, which means that you can divide your Bitcoin over different stable coins, which is very good if you want to hedge now and then a part of your Bitcoin holdings. Then guys, let's have a look at this chart, which is showing us the on-chain volume of Bitcoin per certain price range. And what we can see right here, guys, is that the price that we are trading at right now, 39K, we are seeing one of the biggest amounts of on-chain volume. And the last time we have seen, or another level where we have seen such a huge amount of on-chain volume, was basically when Bitcoin was trading roughly between 3,200 and 3,600. So in the 3,000 levels, we had also a huge spike in on-chain volume. And this is actually quite significant, because this is showing us that Bitcoin right now is trading at a very significant level, and that on-chain a lot of things is happening, right? So what can this chart basically tell us? Well, first of all, I would say this is rather a more bullish than bearish chart, especially because we are reaching this chart right here from a downtrend, from a correction, which basically shows us that 39K is a huge level, or could be a huge level of support, and it would make sense that this would be a level where we could see a significant bounce from, similar as we had with Bitcoin trading in this range, approximately from 3,400 right here till 3,800 right here. You can see that this was another period in history where where Bitcoin was trading at this price. There was a lot of on-chain volume going on, and eventually that marked the Bitcoin bottom, and we had a nice bounce, if not rally, coming out of this range. So that is definitely a possibility now as well. However, the opposite is true as well. If we were to lose these levels decisively, if we were to lose 38, 39k, then it's also more difficult to reclaim those levels. So that is also something to take in mind. It's just showing a lot of significance for those levels. You can also you can maybe compare it slightly with the VPVR, which is showing the volume, the visible range volume, so the volume also per traded level, but that is the volume on exchanges. This chart is showing the on-chain volume, so that is the volume basically between wallets. So yeah guys, that is very interesting because that is showing us that the levels that Bitcoin is trading right now is very, very significant as the levels Bitcoin was trading back then. And if you have a look at the pattern right here, the structure, of course, the entrance from the pattern is different, but we do see something similar right here. And I definitely think that we could be seeing something similar playing out as well. Of course, I'm not going to say that this is now the highest likelihood due to the fact that March is most of the time a very volatile month and a bearish month. So short term, it is still something we have to be careful with, be cautious. But if we have a look at this structure, we also had a downtrend, we had a ascending triangle, slowly trend up, and the moment we broke that horizontal resistance butts, we got a nice start of a rally. So that is a similar pattern that we are seeing right now. Potential ascending triangle where we could be seeing a breakout from to the upside, which I think we eventually going to do when we have a look at the signals right now. Fear and greed, sentiment, funding rates, and so on. So guys, this is basically what I'm watching right now with Bitcoin. I would say don't over leverage in this consolidation period because it is quite unpredictable what Bitcoin is going to do. However, once Bitcoin has chosen a direction, we can say with more certainty what actually is going on. Guys, if you like today's video, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. Very much appreciated. Let's get as much likes as possible on today's video. Let's check if we can get above 150 likes. So this video is being pushed to a broader audience and we can grow our community, grow the community from Will Portal, which is very important and which is going to help us in the future way better when we want to predict the Bitcoin price in the shorter term time frame. If you are new right here, make sure to subscribe down below, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you are interested in taking the next steps into your crypto trading journey, you can consider enrolling for my cryptocurrency trading course. I will leave a link down below in the description. You still can enroll with a discount of $150. Follow me over on Twitter. Follow Will Portal over on Twitter. And if you haven't done so already and you want to trade Bitcoin or a variety of altcoins, then I would definitely recommend to use Bybit for that. And if you sign up with my affiliate link down below, you can get a bonus up to $4,100 and a 10% discount on your fees. Then guys, I want to thank you all for watching. I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.